Hi there, it's Haley with Modern Exterior, and today we're in Walworth, Wisconsin. I'm taking a look at a roof. They had a leak going on, but as further inspection shows, the roof is very old and it really is time for replacement. But unfortunately, they don't have the immediate funds to complete this project. So what are the financing options for any exterior project, whether it's something you just want to do to add value to your home, whether it's something that comes up and you have to replace your roof? What are the options for financing a fun project or a needed project? So essentially, you can always go to any bank, your bank, and try and get a loan through them. There's also a couple different types of loans, home equity loans, etc. We also do offer payment via credit cards. That's an option as well to pay that way. But we offer financing through Enhancify. Any project or you have an inspector come out, they can send you the link to go directly under Modern Exterior and see special Modern Exterior rates. We can walk you through it. Very simple. They just ask your name, email, phone number. They'll run your credit and you can request what amount you would like, and they can let you know if you're approved for more of that and what your interest rate will be and what your monthly payment will be. It's very quick, it's very easy. It can be done on your phone, it can be done on your computer. It's very simple to fund any upcoming exterior project you have in the future. Again, this is Haley with Modern Exterior, and we're in Walworth, Wisconsin.